Dear students, let me present the topic diagnostic testing and remedial instruction today. Diagnostic testing means a test used to conduct diagnosis of the learner. What is meant by a diagnosis? Diagnosis means finding out the difficulties or the problems and analyzing the causes of that problem. If we are conducting a diagnosis of the blood of a person, we are actually finding out the reason for his disease. Like that, by conducting diagnostic testing, we are actually finding out the causes or the reasons for learner difficulty or the learner problems or the problems confronted by the learner in his teaching learning process. After each teaching learning process, we used to conduct achievement test in order to find out the learning effects or the learning outcome of the learner. There, in achievement test, we are analyzing or finding out what the learner has achieved out of this teaching learning process. In diagnostic testing, we are not assessing the learner outcome, but we are analyzing or finding out the gaps in the learning outcomes or the difficulties faced by the learner in achieving the learning outcome. So, achievement test and diagnostic test are used for entirely two different purposes. One is for finding out the achievement, and the second, the diagnostic test, is used to find out the causes of not achieving the learning outcome. Okay, this diagnostic testing should follow remedial instruction, otherwise it has no meaning. That means by finding out the causes or problems of the learner, we have to find out a solution for that. For that, we are providing remedial instruction properly to the learners. Also, remedial instruction without the diagnostic testing is of no use or it is meaningless. So, this diagnostic testing and the remedial instruction are interrelated. And also, this diagnostic testing and remedial instruction is a cyclic process. First, we have to conduct diagnostic testing. The second phase is hypothesizing the causes of the difficulties, and third phase is remediation, providing remedial instruction, and the fourth phase is evaluating the learners, and the fifth stage is predicting success or unsuccess. If the learner has succeeded in the evaluation process, we can stop the diagnostic testing. Or he failed to succeed in the evaluation process, we have to repeat the cycle, or we have to start with the diagnostic testing, and the entire cycle continues. Thus, this diagnostic testing and remedial instruction should be a cyclic process. Okay, then you might have learned about the difference between achievement test and a diagnostic test. You refer to that portion at your own pace. Okay, then let me stop here, and I will deliver the process of construction of diagnostic test in another video.